Hi guys, welcome back to the Wheels and Stuff video. This was going to be an unboxing video, but I've already actually unboxed it. So I'm just going to go over a few of the bits and pieces. I actually bought this from Amazon. I was looking for like a budget orbital sander, but all the ones that I've tried are not really powerful enough for what I need to do. I needed to kind of remove quite a bit of material off wood. But orbital sanders, they hardly move. I did have an Einhell one. I'll leave a link in the description. It was rubbish. When you put any kind of load on it, it doesn't seem to move at all, and hardly any materials actually removed. I was going to get the D-Wall, I think it's 6243 or whatever it is. I'll leave a link for that in the description as well, which is about 100 quid. Tool Station's currently doing it for 90 on a sale, but I was a bit sceptical about that as well, being as it only has like a 2mm deviation when it's basically orbiting. So what I did was, rather than trying to find an orbital sander, I've already got like a polishing machine. This one's a Silverline one. That one there, 264569 is the item number. You can actually use a grinder, but the polishing ones tend to kind of face down like this, which is better for sanding, I find. And I do actually use this quite a lot for sanding aggressively, but it doesn't have any dust extraction, so the dust goes everywhere, like all over the place, on shelves and all that kind of stuff. So I ended up buying this, which is the 8Life AG23 180mm 7-inch. It's for an angle grinder, but I thought I'd try it on the polisher. It does come with these kind of collets, and it will fit various size grinders, where this would just literally sit inside this, and then when you clamp it, it bridges the gap between the outside diameter of this and the outside diameter of whatever diameter this is on your grinder. On a polishing machine, you tend to get a smaller circumference or smaller radius. So what we did was, we basically created one of these which sits in between that and one of these, which then allows the thing to fit. So I'll just pop that on now, and yeah, and tighten it up. So it does, it does actually come with, I'm going to get myself a Hoover pipe that we can screw into this, and that will actually fit into there. Then you've got a Hoover pipe coming straight out, but I don't have one at the moment. It also comes with one of these, and normally, like, you get stuff like this. This is a hard one. I'm not sure what it's made of, probably something like vinyl, HDPE or something like that. Or polypropylene or whatever it is, but that didn't come with it. This is a rubber one, which might be quite handy when you're trying to fit a standard Hoover pipe, which is what we're going to try and do as an interim before I actually get a Hoover pipe that fits in here, that I can connect somehow to the Hoovers that I've got. But yeah, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pop that on there like that. If you guys do buy one of these and you need a collet like this, drop a comment. All I'd need is the diameter size of your actual machine and the inside diameter of wherever that is. But yeah, we could probably design one and make one and send it out to you. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you do need one. So I think it was one of these, can't remember which one it was that we used. It wasn't that one. Was it this one? No, that's too big. Was it this one? You know what, let's get this out. Let's get this out and see if we can find the one, it must have been this one. Right, so what we do is put that in there like so, and then we get this, pop that around that, like that, and then tighten the clamp like so, like that. Right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use one of these sanding discs, these foam pads, and I'll put the sanding disc on there. You can actually use a different one. There's another one, 150mm, for polishing, but that sits just shy of the outside of this brush, whereas this one sits just proud of it. So if I just lock this in place first, like that, and then I'll turn that, you can just see how I'm actually put this on. I'll have to put this on properly in a second, because you can see I've put it on a little bit lopsided, but it does actually sit shy of it, about 5mm. So what we've done, we just connected this hose with the rubber adapter thing. That's connected to that, and then that goes down to one of these 50-litre dust extractors, and we're going to see how that fares. Right, so what we're going to do is we'll just get some of this chalk, and what we're going to do is we'll just give it a quick sand. I've got some, it's pretty used really, but still got some life in it, so I'm just going to use it and give it a quick sand, ready for making it up with the next piece of wood. So yeah, that's done a really good job, and it's done an excellent job of catching all the dust. There's literally no dust flying around anywhere. I mean, I'm sure you guys who have used one of these without one of these dust shrouds, you'll know how much dust actually goes flying. It literally goes everywhere. Just to give you an idea, if you have a look at that barrel there, that has caught all the dust that's been flying around everywhere. If you check that barrel, the blue one there, and there's dust on top of that one as well. Literally the whole place gets caked in dust, which is horrendous. So yeah, that's the 8Life AG23. I'll leave a link in the description. Anyway, it's not a sponsored video, but it's an excellent dust shroud. So if you want to grab one for a polisher like this. That's the model number of the polisher, so it will fit. If you need adapters, if you've got a grinder or a polisher that it won't fit with the collets that you've got, drop a comment, and we can sort one out. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.